Hello there, welcome again to the channel. We've got an announcement to make. I got this email from Heroku about their free products, and they said starting from November 28, 2022, the free Heroku Dinos, free Heroku Postgres, and free Heroku data for Redis will no longer be available. And how does this affect what we have been learning so far, our introduction to Python journey? All right, the idea of this Python journey is to be able to build an application. It's an hands-on training where we would be able to do things as we learn. All right, so we intend, or we have planned before now, to develop some test applications where we can deploy on the web, and we plan on using Heroku. Using Heroku Postgres as for database, and also deploying on Heroku, where we can host online and anybody anywhere can always access it. And I will just show you some of the applications that I've done before now, that I planned that we are going to do together, just for you to get the feel of it. Meanwhile, I'm looking for other options. Hopefully I get one soon. And well, this does not really stop what we are learning actually, because the plan now is to probably do it on our local machine, and we'll definitely find another way out to deploy to the web. Yeah, before then. Yeah, just as I've mentioned earlier, we'll be looking out for alternatives like Git pages and all. But for now, we'll be running all our applications locally on your machine. So please get paid. I'm looking out for other options like AWS. And yeah, when we get a solution, we'll let you know. But for now, peace out.